Hello everyone, I Nivedita along with Shravani, Priyanka and Kavita have worked on a project automatic extraction of useful Facet hierarchies from text databases under the guidance of Shankara Babu sir. This topic is related to data mining, which refers to extracting or mining knowledge from large amounts of data. Our project deals with extraction of data, which is done step by step by viewing the data from a single point. The main aspect of this project is keyword searching. The techniques used are WordNet and Wikipedia. Main contributions: a technique to identify the important terms in a text document using Wikipedia. It is also a technique that uses multiple external resources to identify facet terms that do not appear in the document but are useful for browsing a large document database. In case of text databases, first a hierarchy must be formed and the users will browse from given hierarchies. Databases of text and text annotated data constitute a significant fraction of information available in electronic form. Searching and browsing are the typical ways that users locate items of interest in such databases. Faceted interfaces represent a new powerful paradigm that proved to be a successful implement to keyword searching. Thus far, the identification of facets was either a manual procedure or relied on a priori knowledge of facets that can potentially appear in underlying collection. In this paper, we present an unsupervised technique for automatic extraction of facets useful for browsing text databases. In particular, we observe through a pilot study that the facet terms rarely appear in text documents, showing that we need external resources to identify useful facet terms. For this, we first identify important phrases in each document. Then we expand each phrase with context phrases using external resources such as WordNet and Wikipedia. Finally, we compare the term distributions in the original database and the expanded database to identify the terms that can be used to construct browsing facets. Our extensive user studies using Amazon Mechanical Turk service show that our technique produces facets with high precision and recall that are superior to existing approaches and help users locate interesting items faster. Hardware requirements are Pentium 4 processor, 1 GB RAM, 80 GB hard disk space, and software requirements are Microsoft Windows XP Professional JDK 6.0. The main purpose of the project is to retrieve the data. Here we can search for the necessary files using a single keyword. That is, if suppose there are a number of files and we don't remember the required file name, then any word in the file can be entered in order to get the appropriate file. The required files are displayed as follows. Now Shravani is going to explain in detail about the execution.
Our project uses MyEclipse software, which consists of many built-in functions such as C, C++, Java, etc. For executing the program in this software, we don't need a separate compiler. It also supports Mozilla Firefox and Internet Explorer. It is advantageous because it supports different languages like C, C++, and Java. Now we are using Java for executing the present program. In this program, large number of documents can be searched by entering the keyword in a text box. When you run the program, the appearing window consists of user details to be filled. Here, there are two different cases, new user and old user. A new user has a different procedure to log in. It is just like creating a new account. If suppose I'm a new user, I click on the new user button. Then a page is displayed consisting of the details like username, password, re-enter password, first name and last name along with the email ID. The password length must be a minimum of 6 characters. Make sure that all the details entered are correct. If not, use the reset button. As soon as a new user creates an account, the details are saved in a specific database. All the details of the old user, such as username and password, are stored in a database. The following are the details of the already existing users. Now let us suppose I am an old user. I can just enter the username and password which already exists and click the login button. Now a text box appears on the screen where the keyword must be given. Let it be a case that I don't remember the file name, but I just have an idea on the content present in it. A particular word must be selected such that the word is not common, like or, and, the, etc. Even in this case, the files are displayed, but the number is more, which leads to confusion. Hence, the word must be unique and relevant to the content. Let the word be power. Enter the word and click the search button. As explained before, it displays all the files consisting the keyword. The first file is displayed with the detailed data and the rest are given by the file names. Looking at the file names, the necessary file can be easily identified by clicking on the file name. The detailed data is displayed. It also provides the facility of searching another word without logging in again. Thank you.